This year marks the 30th anniversary of the establishment of diplomatic relations between Croatia and China. Former Croatian President Ivo Josipovic told Xinhua in a recent interview that this would inject new impetus into the development of bilateral relations and open up new possibilities for cooperation.
For today, I think we have very good relations. We do not have any open issues. Probably we should be more intensively engaged in establishing more cultural and economical cooperation.
The former president noted that bilateral contacts should be strengthened in more arenas.
Definitely, relations should be intensified. That means the contacts, not only between governments, by enterprises directly between Chinese and Croatian cultural institutions as well, should be more intensive, and more projects should be established from both sides. We have to intensify our cultural cooperation and economical cooperation because definitely we are a small country but also small market, but from the other side China is a very big economy that can contribute to our development, to our economy, and we can give something very nice and very good to China as well.
Josipovic also supported closer high-level political and economic ties and cooperation between China and the European Union, noting that China has played a positive role in global peace and stability.
Primarily, I think that not only Croatia itself, but Croatia and the European Union should establish much closer contacts and much closer relations, not only in economy but politically as well. Global stability is today a very important issue, and up to now China played a positive role contributing to attempts to establish peace, global peace, and definitely we are in a very critical moment all around the globe, and cooperation between all countries, especially key players like United States, like European Union and China, is crucial.
China and Croatia established diplomatic relations on May 13, 1992. In 2005, the two countries established a comprehensive cooperative partnership, marking a new stage in the development of bilateral ties.